Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to use an online image editing tool. It's free, really simple to use, and I want you guys to use it for our school yearbook photo project where you guys are to use at least 2 photos of your choosing that are approved by me and school appropriate, of course, that are edited, printed out, and given to me. So, what you need to do is you need to open your computer, you need to go to Google Chrome, or if you have Firefox, that's fine, either one will work. You can even use Safari if you want. I like Google Chrome, so we're going to go to Google. Once it's open, go up to your bar up here and type in Pixlr. Like I said, Pixlr is free. You do not have to pay for it. Anybody can access it. So, go to pixlr.com, photo editor online. Once it's loaded, you'll see their homepage. And then you go to these 2 little arrows down here at the bottom. And it opens 2 options for you. You can do your Pixlr Express right here, and it has an option where you can do a collage. That way you can I will let you guys do 2. If you want to do a collage, you have to have 4 pictures. The bare minimum is 2. So you just pick out your pictures here. I'm just going to use these quick as an example. Whoops, that's the same picture. Bam. I mean, I'm telling you guys, if you bring an inappropriate picture to me, there will be consequences to that. Say this is your collage. You can change the layout, you can do more pictures, you can do a strip of pictures, you can only do 2 pictures. It's up to you. You can space them out more, like that. You can round off the edges of the picture. You can change the proportions of it to where it's wider. You can even change the background of the color of the background. Pretty. Like I said, once you're done, I need you to print it off for me. So go over here and then do your print option. That is the Pixlr Express. I'll take you through the editor. Go to open image from your computer. Let me find my picture again. I want to use a picture of my family as an example. So here you are. Over here on the right hand side are all of your editing options. The Pixlr editor gives you more of layers of editing. It may take you a little longer, but it's to your liking. You can crop the image, like say all this dead space in here. I don't want all that dead space. So you crop it. Crop it, crop it, crop it. Yes, I do want to crop it. And there, doesn't that look a little bit better? You fix the red eyes. My cousin has red eyes. I'm going to get her red eyes out of there. I have red eyes. You can add a text. Say you want to type besties forever up there. Go for it. The only limit to this project is your imagination. So please be creative. Take your time. Please do a good job. And once you're done, go up to File, Print, and then bring the copy to me with your name somewhere on it. Alright? Have fun, guys.